Did you know that people spend over 2.5 hours a day on social media? Here are 3 tips on how to use social media that you might not have considered. First, social commerce. Over 80% of Gen Z and Millennial have bought a product that they've seen on their social media feed. Second, social media for customer service support. Almost a quarter of Gen Z and Millennial have reached out to a brand on social media for customer service support. And 3, social media influencers are going to continue to influence. We've seen a shift in brands building long-term, authentic relationships with creators who can develop and maintain trust with their audience, promoting the same brand over time. Moving away from influencers who just want to partner with brands that pay. I'm Lisa Perry, a 20-year brand marketing executive working with Fortune 100 companies to emerging growth startups. For brand marketing tips, check out my link for my articles and book on how to develop a brand strategy.